on our way to a date night, I guess we want to call it, or is this a regular night for us, you know? We love going out and just spending time because we work so hard during the week. So, what are we going to do today for the people today, babe? We got a lot of new people. How should we start this vlog?
You look good.
Thank you, babe. Thank you so much.
Compliments to the queen.
So we are heading out to Carolina Kitchen to go get us some soul food. Some soul food. You know, I've been trying to do my clothing haul. So look out for that haul. But I'm going to tell you guys, I've been having a hard time. But I'm gonna leave it for that video. I'm going to just leave it for that video because tonight is about us. Right, babe?
That's right.
It's about us. And we have so many new subscribers.
Thank y'all.
Thank y'all so much for joining the Work of Excellence TV family. We get so many questions about our relationship, and we even get a lot of young people saying that they love our dynamic, they love how we love, and I really think it's because we have experience, right?
I say so. Yeah, I agree.
You know, we came to the point in our lives when we met, we done been through a whole lot of learning curves, that we knew what we wanted. I knew what I wanted in a man, and
I knew what I wanted in a woman.
right. So when we met, and we just flew together, you know, like that. We just flow together. But the flow is not that we're the same. The flow is we're different, but we complement each other.
We understand and respect each other.
Right. It's like, you know, I'm from New York. You from?
DC.
He's from DC. And you know, with me being from New York, where dreams are made of, there's nothing we cannot do. And baby's from DC.
Okay.
What y'all known for, babe, in DC?
Go-go band.
Go-go band. Boy, babe don't get up and dance all the time, right? But if you put some go-go on, and he done had him a little tarty, he gonna get up and he gonna dance to the party. Right, babe?
Yes.
Gotta give him a little jungle juice, and you gotta put on Chuck Brown. Right, babe?
Chuck Brown, Red Essence, EU, Backyard, you name it.
Say it again, I can't hear.
Chuck Brown, EU, Backyard, Junkyard, you name it.
You like, that's what you like.
Hey,
That's that DC all day, every day. You know, we Jay-Z. You know what I mean? Alicia Keys. You know, we just...
You run me on, baby.
There's nothing we cannot do. Yo, New York, New York, New York. Hey! See?
She's fine.
Right. He's kind of like calm, cool, and collective, and that's why he's the yang to my yin, or my yin to my yang, whatever.
Come on.
whatever. But that's what make us flow. It is what it is. But you know, we play our positions in our relationship. And we know what makes our relationship work, right? Some people may say that you changed. Have you changed, babe?
It's always room for improvement. You better yourself. You look. I know personally. I look and I evaluate myself. I say, okay, I did this wrong, and that's where experience come in. That you look for ways to better yourself.
Right. And some people may say I changed. Of course I have. Of course I've changed. If you don't change, how do you grow? Every day I'm growing and I'm evolving into something new. Praise God, something better. So we always going to have changes. You know what I'm saying? And this is who we are. So we're just really giving a little bit of who we are. I'm Al. I said I'm Al. Uh-oh. Did she have a drink?
Did you?
No, she didn't have a drink. He's Al. I'm Sandra. Glad to have you all come to our channel. You're going to see me doing a lot of clothing hauls, and you got to go where the numbers go. You know, when I do the clothing hauls, I get the big numbers. You know what I mean? When I do, like, I have so many people who are on my channel for the simple fact that we did the wind down weekend. You know, we did the drink of the weekend. And they be like, why you don't do the drinks of the weekend anymore?
Said you needed space. Said you needed more time to think. So you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more.
Okay, so we brought it back with popular demands, but the numbers still goes to the clothing hauls. We do our vlogs here and there whenever we have something to do, but the numbers go back to the clothing hauls. So every now and then, you know, we can't forget the people who started with us as well. You know, when we were trying to find our way with the channel, you know, I have a couple of friends call me and said, oh, you're not doing the cooking. In my vlogs, I will try to implement some cooking because, you know, we used to cater. Since COVID, we did never open back up our catering business. You know, so we just moved on to bigger and better things. So here we are trying to find our way in this YouTube world, being people of a certain age, right, babe? You know, we got grown kids, we got grandkids, but we finding that the audience is loving us and we're learning our way. We're just popping in. We're going to be doing some lives, videos, for we can do some drinking videos in the live. We can even cook, right, babe? I gotta teach babe how to cook.
I know how to cook, y'all.
He don't know how to cook. He might do a little breakfast here and there, but I don't think he really know how to cook.
I know how to cook, y'all.
Okay, so we're gonna let him cook for us. We're gonna do some lives, let a lot of more people get to know us, get to know how comical and funny we can be. Now we have so many people out there that don't know us. You know, we have 5 children. We have 2 grandkids. Just give y'all a little sneak that your girl is getting ready. So that's just a sneak peek to what's to come. What is to come? So we are getting ready to go to this restaurant. The food is so good, and you can't find too many soul food restaurants. And you know, usually when me and Babe go out to eat and we want some good food, we kind of live where, what should I call it? A little bougie? Yeah, okay. It is what it is. We live in a little bougie town, you know, so he just got the bare minimum. So when we want to go out to eat, we go to PG County in Maryland, or we go to Baltimore in Maryland and get good food. So where we going now is like PG County. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there.
I guess I'll be on my way now.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi. Is the bar for us?
No, you can go on up there.
You want to go up there? I don't mind. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
We decided to eat at the bar.